Hi there, welcome to Excel 2019. My name is Cindy and I'm going to be your instructor and help walk you through this series of videos. I want to take a few moments and let you know a little bit about myself and what to expect as you walk through this course. I've actually been teaching Excel for quite a number of years now, over 15, and I teach everything from the basics all the way to advanced features. So hopefully we'll be able to get a lot of this information over to you quickly so that you can get started working on some of your projects. If you're brand new to Excel, make sure you watch these in order. If you try to watch them out of order, it may not make much sense to you. And go ahead and watch them again and again if you need to. I want you to have the concepts down before you move on to the next video. If you've been using Excel for a while, hopefully you'll get some tips, tricks, easier ways to do things. Well, let's go ahead and get started, and we're going to go into section 2 and talk about what's new in Excel 2019.